Hi everybody, this is Mike with the Gourmia Espresso Machine. This thing is really cool and I want to show everybody how it works really quick. So right here we have a power button, and whenever we flip that, we can see the LED display on top of the machine is going to start flashing. Now these are all different buttons for the different types, and normally this will flash and blink solid until it's heated up. Thankfully I've had this plugged in, I've been using it all day, so it should already be heated up. But before I show you guys exactly what this does, I want to point out here, we've got this filled with chilled milk. This is the milk frother, and that'll help get your frothed milk into your cappuccino. So here we can see the handbook that comes with it, and this is really cool. It really kind of outlines all the different parts of the machine. We got this set up out of the box within the first 2 or 3 minutes, so it's really, really intuitive, and that's just the Gourmia Espresso Maker. What I have here are Nespresso style espresso capsules, and they're kind of similar to a K-Cup, but these are not the same thing, so be sure, I think that this is the style that we're using here. So you guys can do that. And this is really, really intuitive, guys. If you've ever used any sort of a coffee pot before, you know exactly what you're doing. You just want to open this up. You can see the capsule's only going to fit in there one way, and you're just going to plop that in. Once you close this up, you're ready to go. It punctures the capsule for you. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my glass right in there, and I'm going to see, let's see here, if I go for 1, that would be an espresso shot. If I go for 3, that'd be a cappuccino style, so I'm going to just line that up, very intuitive, and boom, I'm going to just click the button that looks like a cappuccino, and that should start to go. So as long as this button is blinking, guys, it's still working on your drink. You'll notice that the espresso itself is probably going to come out first, and then we're going to be dealing with the frothed milk. Sometimes you got to press it 1 or 2 times just to get it working there, but that should be heating up, and we can see things starting to come out over here. So it looks like we're getting the milk first on the cappuccino, and then we'll probably see the espresso coming down in. And just feeling the outside here, it does feel warm, but this isn't getting overly hot. Sometimes in my experience, I've seen some steam come up out of here, so this is a warm running machine, just like a coffee pot or any other espresso maker you'd have. And I love that this works just by the capsule. It's very, very similar to a lot of coffee makers on the market now, but you don't have to pay the inflated price for all the gourmet drinks at these different restaurants and things like that. The capsules are pretty inexpensive, so that's really good. The machine itself, very, very reasonably priced, I found. And yeah, this should be done. As soon as you're done with that, all you've got to do is, I believe, open this right back up, and then you just pull this out, and that reservoir that pulls out catches anything else that's dripping out of the machine and the espresso capsule there. My name's Mike once again. This is the Gourmia Espresso Maker, and thank you all so much for watching.